So one thing I wanted to point out is this turn. So this wall has several turns, and you might expect to see that the pipe goes this way up against the foundation and cuts this way and cuts that way. Well, that creates multiple 90-degree turns. Even if we use double 45s to make them sweeping and all the rest, that many turns can eventually cause a camera or jetter hose to stop passing through. So we want to reduce our turns as much as possible. The key here is that this pipe is the lowest spot next to the foundation. So what we're going to do is put a little bit more dirt right here before we put the fabric down, and that'll create a slope towards the pipe, so we have everything draining right here. That's the goal.